smallest piece that we need when we're broken or lost. The moments that just passed us by, when we go blinded by what makes us die, could be vague, just a blink of a moment, and it's gone. We keep falling down until we start to tear, but we can still be strong. So wipe out all your